day 10. I know y'all like, we just saw you. We just saw your face in this. Yes, baby. This is how you do vlogging effectively. I'm going to split it up. We're going to do a clean with me because guess what? Guess what? Anytime I go out of town, I like to deep clean. I clean out my refrigerator because there's nothing like having things in there prior to, then coming back 3-4 days later and got to do all that. Let's just do it in the beginning because when I come through the front door, sometimes I don't even unpack for like 3 days. And when I land on Sunday, Monday I gotta be back at work. So let's get into this. That I'm not even embarrassed, okay? First things first, we gotta tackle this laundry room. Y'all, I am notorious for washing clothes and living out the laundry room. Meaning when I take this off, I don't own a hamper, right? I'll take cloth clothing, drop it in the machine. I'll wash the load, dryer load. If I need something out the dryer, chances are I'm gonna wear it out the dryer. I just don't like the fold clothes, you know. I'll fold my linen, but the clothing, I gotta do better with my life.
Christmas list.
Sleigh rides in the winter snow, kiss under the mistletoe. She been a good girl, I left her pockets filled with plenty dough. Sleigh bells ringling, jingle bells jingling, carols she screaming them, presents I'm bringing them. I'm coming down the chimney, hope you got my fire ready. Rudolph at the crib, I came back in my...
Okay, just fed up, folding the clothes. Now I gotta go put them away, and next we gonna tackle the bathrooms. Now I am the person that every other day I Clorox wipes and stuff. I wipe down my bathroom, I clean my tubs and stuff as soon as I get out. So deep cleaning like baseboards and all that, I don't have to do that often. I rather not let housework pile up and then just do it. Grow up like me to believe nothing is clean unless bleach is involved. Yeah, I clean with a lot of bleach too, but this Lysol with hydrogen peroxide, 0% bleach. When I tell y'all, this bad boy cleans down everything. I keep this handy because one thing about a makeup lover, either you're cleaning like your beauty sponge, your all this, your all of that. If you let it sit, it's going to stain your white sink. So I always keep that with an arm's reach and keep everything wiped down nice and neat. Now in this particular bathroom, well, both of my bathrooms, I already did my tubs. I didn't turn the camera on for that because I had to stand in the tub. Standing in the tub to me is the only way to wash down the walls of your showers and all of that and all of that. Like if you just clean the tub and you ain't cleaning the rest, it ain't clean in my opinion, child. And I make sure I go back and I sanitize down everything, okay? Y'all heard me say I got Clorox wipes in a little small trial one of these in my suitcase. Yeah, I don't play that.
One warm December, our hearts will see a world where men are free. Come on. Someday Christmas, there'll be no war when we have learned what.
So in this bathroom is pretty much clean, but as you can see, my nighttime skincare routine, I gotta declutter all of this. My toilet and tub is clean, but I got a space for everything. I am one of these people that believe every item has a home, but getting home at night, I want to get my makeup off, and I always lay down the towel though, because you know your whole counter could get wet. So gotta clean this up because I am actually cleaning. And y'all, I had to go to work today, but see, your girl is multitasking. So let me tell y'all what happened. I got some good news, right? I got another job, but it's requiring more of my time. So between like going to job 1, job 2, filming, editing, this take dedication. And I'm gonna give myself a pat on the back because since April 2 years ago, I've remained consistent. There's plenty of times I wanted to stop, but I remain consistent, y'all. And not coming on camera with no BS.
Moving fast, girl. Why you shake that jingle bell, yeah, yeah. Now moving fast, girl. Why you shake that jingle bell, Day is Christmas Eve. Me and my girl just put the star on the tree, and now we.
One good thing about being a couponer, we keep trial sizes on deck, especially my wet ones. My wet wipes, I like the hypoallergenic or the Summer View. Want to keep these in my purse, travel bag, everything. Every lady gotta have these.
Finished and now she ready. She want me to take it to her room and take a peek at that present. See, tonight it's going down. Santa gon' knock that down. Then I'ma beat it up till you catch up. Mama make that booty bounce. Yo, what up? This your boy Chris Baptiste, and I got my girl Courtney Hart on this remix. And we wanna wish everybody a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas, you dig? Leg out. Now moving fast, moving fast, girl.
Yeah.
Okay, and that concludes that. The top of my sink is clean, hotel clean, as I like to call it. No clutter, no junk. This decanter jar, y'all know this, the liquor decanter, but I keep my mouthwash in there, and I have the little mouthwash cups, but I need a cute little holder for it, and I don't want to put it up there just like that. And then my other little accessories, my blingy stuff, because I'm a diva, honey, and I like anything blingy, stays up there, as well as a roll of paper towels. This is my method of choice when I do my skincare, because wash rags and stuff hold germs. And this is all ready to go inside my suitcase. So thank y'all for cleaning with me, chilling with me, just doing some little quick round the house stuff. Now she, you know, have to go get ready for work. Deuces, see you tomorrow.
Come on.